Alright, so I just bought this lock, and I'm going to try to pick it open. But first, I'm going to cut it open, and let's see which one takes me longer. If I don't hurt myself. Okay. Well, this was a master lock. I don't know what it's called. Whichever one this is. If I can find which one I cut off. Yeah. Not sure, it doesn't say. $3TLF. That's it, yeah. Anyways, let's try to pick it. Got my turner, got my hand pick. Again, it's not open yet. This is my first time ever hand picking a lock that I can't see through. I have been having a lot of practice with that see-through one, but I've never done it where I can't see the pins. So it might be a little bit difficult. Well, we'll see. I'm just going to pop in with a quick voiceover here. I was having trouble with not so much finding where the pins are. I can feel where the pins are. I just don't know exactly which pin I'm pushing. So I get the concept of pushing the first pin, second pin, third pin, fourth pin, but I'm kind of just randomly picking through them at this point. I'll say later in the video, I don't know what I'm doing. I get the concept, I just don't know exactly what I'm picking at. I know that you're supposed to pick them one by one, and that's what I'm doing. I pick them, and it's basically like I'm just poking at it, and eventually it works out. Understanding the concept is very good when you're picking a lock, but knowing that feel and intuitively hand picking and knowing what you're doing takes a little bit of effort. And that really just comes with time. The more you practice, the better you get. And there you have it. Took me what, less than 2 minutes, maybe? So I don't have the feel just yet. So I know how to pick. I just don't have the feel of picking every pin. Like, I don't know if I'm picking it or not just yet. So that's my progress. I've been lock picking for maybe a month now. And yeah, I still don't have the feel for this. But I do have the concept of what I'm doing. I just don't know, like, if I'm picking 1 pin, 2 pin, 3 pin, 4 pin. I just know I'm picking at them. I don't know if I'm picking at them correctly. So I do still have to work on this. Master locks are the easy locks. So yeah, I might have more trouble with the harder locks, of course. But with master locks, if you dig at them, they'll unlock. Now I'm going to try the rake. See how long it takes me to rake it. Now with the raking, it's a little bit easier to do, but it does take more effort. It doesn't require that much skill to do it. You're basically just praying that you're getting the pins to fall into place so that it unlocks. basically all you do is just push it in and out, and you try to push the pins upward. There are different techniques to it, but again, it's mostly just random, and you're hoping for the best. And that's what I'm doing here in the video. You can see I tried pushing in and out. Now I'm flicking it and trying to push those pins up, and eventually it works. All right, that took me less time, I think. But again, I don't have the feel just yet. I just have an idea of what I am doing. But yeah, we successfully picked the lock. And yeah, thanks for watching.